Hello children, today we are going to study chapter 2 vowels and consonants. Okay, chapter 2 vowels and consonant of your grammarian book 1. Okay, clear everyone? Your chapter name is vowels and consonants. Okay, what is vowels and what is consonants? There are 26 alphabets in English alphabet. Okay, first of all, read the letters of the English alphabet. Okay, first of all, we'll read these letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, these are 26 alphabets. Okay, can you see these letters? A, E, I, O, U. All other letters are in balloons. All other letters are written in balloons, but these 5 letters are written in the boxes. Why are these letters are written differently? Why? Because these letters are vowels. A, E, I, O, U. The letters which are written in the boxes are vowels. Okay, these 5 letters are called vowels. The letters other than A, E, I, O, U are called consonants. What is consonants? Just like in Hindi, you read A, I, O, U. You read their स्वर and व्यंजन. आ से आहा तक आप स्वर पढ़ते हैं एंड का से ज्ञा तक व्यंजन. वैसे ही इंग्लिश में ए, ई, आई, ओ, यू स्वर होते हैं, मीन्स वॉबल्स. ओके, एंड अदर लेटर्स आर कॉन्सोनेंट्स, यानी कि व्यंजन. जैसे हिंदी में स्वर और व्यंजन होते हैं, वैसे ही इंग्लिश में वॉवल्स एंड कॉन्सोनेंट्स होते हैं. Clear everyone? There are total 26 alphabets in English alphabet. Okay, clear everyone? Now let's read out these words. Read the following words. You will notice a vowel in the middle of each word. Look here. First of all, we'll read the words in first row. B, A, T, bat. C, A, T, cat. F, A, T, fat. H, A, T, hat. M, A, T, mat. R, A, T, rat. S, A, D, set. Did you notice here something? Yes? Every word's middle letter is A and it is written with pink color. Why? Because it is vowel. When we make a word, we should use at least one vowel. जब भी हम कोई वर्ड बनाते हैं तब हमें कम से कम एक वॉबल की ज़रूरत होती है. बिना वॉबल के हम कोई भी वर्ड नहीं बना सकते हैं. ओके, क्लियर एवरीवन? नाउ लिख इट. नंबर 2, ई. B, E, D, bat. G, E, N, den. H, E, N, hen. J, E, T, jet. N, E, T, net. P, E, N, pen. S, E, T, set. Okay, and here E vowel is used in middle of the words. Okay, E. Next, I. B, I, D, bit. F, I, N, fin. H, I, T, hit. KID, kid. LID, lid. PIN, pin. WIN, win. Here I vowel is used in middle of the words. Okay. Next, O. BOX, box. COT, cot. DOG, dog. FOX, fox. HOT, hot. POT, pot. ROD, rod. Here vowel O is used in middle of the words. And next, U. BUD, bud. CUT, cut. HUT, hut. JUG, jug. MUG, mug. And NUT, nut. PUT, put. Okay, so this is vowel U. It is used here middle of the words. What you notice here, that when we make any word, we have to need one vowel at least. Okay, जब भी हम कोई word form करते हैं तो हमें at least one vowel की need होती है. Okay, clear everyone? Why? Because when we speak a word, we have need a sound. जब भी हम कोई word बोलते हैं, हमें एक sound, वर्ड को बोलने के लिए एक साउंड की नीड होती है. जो हम वर्ड को साउंड क्रिएट करते हैं वो साउंड हमारा वॉबल से ही आता है. ओके, नाउ लेट्स डू द एक्सरसाइजेस. एक्सरसाइज A. See the following pictures. Fill in the blanks with vowels. See the following pictures. Fill in the blanks with vowels. Here, what you can see in this picture? This is car. This is car. What is the spelling of car? CAR. Car. Okay. And this is pen. 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 Okay. What is this? This is rat. 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 And this is cat. 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 And this hat. HAT, hat. EGG, egg. What is this? This is egg. E for egg. FAN, fan. This is fan. CUP, cup. This is cup. Did you notice here? We are using one vowel to complete these words. है ना? यहाँ पर हम इन वर्ड्स को कंप्लीट करने के लिए किसका यूज कर रहे हैं? वॉबल्स का, है ना? लुक एट नेक्स्ट पिक्चर. आंट. ANT, आंट. SUN, सन. BUS, बस. POWL, pout. MOON, moon. BOOK, book. DOOR, door. CHAIR, chair. CLOCK, clock. BREAD, bread. STICK, stick. Okay, now all of you have learnt here about vowels and consonants. Okay, so now read these words again with your parents. Okay, and learn these spellings. Okay, everyone. Now look at exercise B. Circle the vowels and underline the consonants. Circle the vowels and underline the consonants. Here are given some letters in rows and you have to read out these letters. यहाँ पर आपको कुछ लेटर्स दिए गए हैं और आपको सारे लेटर्स को पढ़ना है. हर रो में जो वॉबल्स हैं उन पर सर्कल करना है और जो कंसोनेंट हैं उन पर अंडरलाइन करनी है. ओके, लेट्स रीड आउट. फर्स्ट रो इज E, Z, H, M, F. Now which one is vowel here? Yes, E. E is vowel, so we will do a circle on E. And Z is consonant, so we will do underline here. H is also consonant, so we will do underline. M is consonant and F is consonant, so we will do underline, okay, on it. Next row, P, A, B, K, Z. P, A, B, K, Z. यहाँ पर which one is vowels? As I told you, which letters are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. So here A is vowel and we will do a circle on A and make a underline on P, B, K and Z. Okay. Now look at next. Z, C, I, V, N. Here the vowel is I. So we will do a circle on I and Z, C, V, N, make a underline on it. Okay. S, R, D, U, Q. Here which one is vowel? Yes, U. Okay. So we will do a circle on U and other letters to underline. Okay. Z, T, L, W, O. So here which one is vowel? O. Okay. And other are consonants. So we will do underline on it. Okay. So we have find here or 5 vowels. Look here. E, A, I, U, O. है ना. यहाँ पर हमें अपने 5 vowels मिल गए हैं. A, E, A, I, U, O. Okay. Now let's do next exercise. Exercise C. Look at each picture. Write V if its name starts with a vowel and write C if its name starts with a consonant. Okay. Here the first picture is, what is this? This is ice cream. What is this? This is ice cream. And ice cream spelling begins with I. जब हम आइसक्रीम की स्पेलिंग लिखते हैं तो किससे शुरू होती है? I. And I is vowel. Here you can see here you have make a circle on I because it is vowel. So we will write here V because it is vowel. And look at next picture. Rose. R for rose and R is consonant. So we will write here C. C for consonant. Okay. Look at next picture. Here is umbrella. What is this? Umbrella. And U for umbrella. U is consonant vowel. U is vowel. So we will write here V because V for vowel. Okay. Look at the next picture. This is table. What is this? This is table. T for table. And T is consonant. So we will write here C. Okay. Look at next. What is this? This is apple. What is this? This is apple. A for apple. And what is A? Vowel or consonant? Yes, vowel. What is A? Vowel. So we will write here V. Okay. Look at next. What is this? Everybody knows very well. What is this? Yes, this is cake. C for cake. C for cake. Okay. C. C is vowel or consonant? Yes, consonant. So we will write here C. C for consonant. Okay. Look at next. Number 7. What is this? This is an animal who lives in sea. Yes, its name is octopus. What is this? Octopus. O for octopus. And O is all vowel. You can see here. We have make a circle on O because it is vowel. So we will write here V. Okay. Look at next picture. What is this? This is pigeon. What is this? This is pigeon. And P for pigeon. P is consonant, so we will write here C. Okay, look at next. What is this? This is elephant. This is elephant. E for elephant. So E is vowel. We will write here V. Look at next picture. Mango. M for mango. And we will write here C because M is consonant. And here butterfly. What is this? Butterfly. B for butterfly. And B is also consonant. So we will write here C. Okay. Look at next. What is this? This is sheep. This is sheep. And sheep. S for sheep. S is consonant. So we will write here she. Okay. Clear everyone? Understood? Look at next exercise. Joy drill. What is our next exercise? Joy drill. Exercise T. Write a word starting with the given vowel. Also draw the picture of the word one has been done for you. Here you have to write the words which begins with vowel and you have to draw the picture of it. Okay, just like you can see here, it is apple and the picture of apple is drawn here. यहाँ पर A for apple और apple की picture बनाई है. Similarly आपको करना है E for egg. E for egg और egg की picture बनानी है. If you write E for eagle, then you will make a picture of eagle. आपको यहाँ पर सभी वोबल से स्टार्ट होने वाला एक एक वर्ड लिखना है और उसकी पिक्चर ड्रॉ करनी है जैसे मैंने की हुई है. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट आइसक्रीम. I for ice cream and draw a picture of ice cream. O for orange. O for orange and this is the picture of orange. Okay. Next U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella and this is the picture of umbrella. Let's read out the vowels with me. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Okay, got it everyone? Look at next exercise E. A figure of necklace is given below. Write consonants in the given circles. Also color them. Okay, what you have to do here? Here are given a figure of necklace and you have to write the consonant letters in these circles. The vowels are already written here. A, E, I, O, U. And you have to write here only consonants, not vowels. First, आप सभी को ABCD आती है ना? यहाँ पर जो नेकलेस का शेप दिया हुआ है इसमें आपको कंसोनेंट लिखने हैं. वॉबल्स पहले ही लिख दिए हैं. ठीक है. आप सभी को ABCD आती है ना? तो अल्फाबेट किससे स्टार्ट होते हैं? A. A is already written here. So we will start with B. B, C, D, E. E is vowel. So E is written here. We will skip E. And after that F, G, H, I. I is vowel. So it is written here. And we will skip I and go forward. I, J. J, K, L, M, N, O. O is also vowel. So it is written here. Then we will skip O and start with P. P, Q, R, S, T, U. U is also vowel, so it is written here. We will skip U. V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, clear everyone? All of you write the consonant just like this and color these circles. Okay, which color you like most? Use it. Okay, or you can use multi shades of colors. Okay. Clear everyone? Look at next exercise F. Color the shapes that have vowels in them red and color the shapes that have consonants in them blue. There are given some shapes and you have to color the shape which has consonant with blue color, just like I have done here, and color the shape with red color which has vowel. Okay, here F is consonant, so I have colored it with blue color, and here E is vowel, so I have colored it with red color. Okay, यहाँ पर जो शेप्स दिए गए हैं उसमें जिसमें वॉबल है उसे आपको रेड कलर से कलर करना है, और जिसमें कंसोनेंट लिखा हुआ है उसे आपको ब्लू कलर से कलर करना है. ओके, अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन? आई होप यू हैव एंजॉयड दिस चैप्टर. ओके, नाउ दिस इज योर होमवर्क. You will do it by yourself. Here we have finished our chapter. Okay.